All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 4, which I did and then realized I wasn't recording. So we're going to do it again. Here we go. Mouse clicks. Here's a program that drops a balloon down the screen. Use an if-else statement to make the balloon go up and down according to whether or not the user is pressing the mouse. So do this. Add code that checks whether the mouse is being pressed. All right. Drag out an if-else statement inside the draw loop. Add a mouse down to the if statement to detect if the left mouse button is being pressed. Move the balloon up the screen if the mouse is being pressed. Use the counter pattern inside the if statement to make the balloon move up the screen. Otherwise, move the balloon down the screen. Move the existing counter pattern that moves the balloon down the screen into the else part of the conditional statement. All right, so first things first, we need an if-else statement. So we're going to put that right there. And we also are going to need a mouse down button. So left button's already selected. That works beautifully. And we also know that for the balloon to go down, we want it to increase by 1. And why do we want it to increase if we want it to go down? Because this is 0 and this is 400. So the higher the number, the lower in the screen it's going to be. So if we start at 0, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to 400. All right. And so that's what's going to happen if we're not pressing the mouse button. But now we need what's going to happen if we are pressing the mouse button. So we're going to say balloon, and then we're going to use a little bit of math. So if this is addition, then we need subtraction. All right, we need our sprite. So sprite.y, which is balloon, and then we need to minus 1. All right, so if I did this correctly, we're going to run it. All right, so it's going down right now. And then when I click, ooh, it stopped. That's not supposed to happen. Let's find out why. Let's reset. Run again. So it's going down. All right. Mm. I literally just did this and made it work. So I've got to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Ah ha ha. All right. Balloon. Oh, that's why it's not balloon dot. Well, okay, it is balloon dot y. So we need to make balloon dot. Come on. All right. All right. Okay, fine. Balloon dot y. Balloon dot y. There we go. All right. So we're going to reset. We're going to run it again. Let's see if I can do this or if I make a fool out of myself again. And click. There we go. There we go. All right. So by doing this, we are increasing the number of balloon.y. In fact, if you wanted to do this up here, we could say balloon.y. And then you could see that as I'm holding the mouse down, the number is getting smaller. And then when I let go, the number is getting larger. All right. So there we go. We're going to finish this level and I'll see you on level 5.